So first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. Combination reaction is also known as synthesis reaction. So what do you mean by combination reaction? When two or more substance or elements combine to form a single product, the reaction are called combination reaction. Okay, when two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single product, the reaction are called combination reaction. So the combination of two or more elements to form a one compound is called combination reaction. Such reaction is represented by equation of the following form: A plus B and the product is AB. Okay. So, or we can say a combination reaction is a reaction where two or more elements or compound combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. Got it? Let's take an example: burning of coal. Okay. In this reaction, carbon and oxygen combine to form a single product, carbon dioxide. Such a reaction in which single product is formed from two or more than two reactant is known as combination reaction. Let's take one more example: formation of water from hydrogen plus oxygen. Okay, formation of water H2O from combination of hydrogen and water. So here you can see water is formed, it means single product is formed by the combination of two reactant, hydrogen and oxygen. So this reaction is also called combination reaction. Let's take another example: calcium oxide and water. So here also two reactant combine to form a one product, that is calcium hydroxide. Got it? So this type of reaction where two or more than two reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction.